In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process of how I make YouTube shorts that earn me thousands of dollars, so you can just copy it and get the same results. First, you have to find videos you can take inspiration from. You can look at other YouTube channels. For example, if you want to get into the fitness commentary niche, you can look up Gein's Insanity. If you want to make videos related to food, check out Curious Wolf. If you want to make videos about science, I recommend Discovery Dose. You can also find videos on Instagram and TikTok. You just have to train your algorithm to show you the type of videos you want to make. I found this bike video because I am in the bike niche. After you find the clip, you're going to go to 11 Labs. I will leave a link in the description. Pick a voice that you like, generate the voiceover, and this is how it's going to sound.
This little guy held out a ham and cheese sandwich from the car window because he saw cyclists racing down the road.
Alright, now open CapCut and add your clip, voiceover, and some visual and sound effects. Drag your clip and voiceover to the main track. This step is very important. Cut the audio so the voiceover doesn't have big pauses and so it overlaps. When one sentence ends, another begins immediately. This is the most important thing to keep your retention high. Now you can create the compound clip for your voiceover and add captions by clicking captions and then generate. Now pick a template that you like and choose your animation. I like this word, amplification animation. Alright, now let's begin editing the clip itself. What you want to do is pick the most interesting part in the first 3 seconds so people don't scroll, and in this case, it's this part.
Down the road, but one cyclist just...
I also like to add transitions between 2 clips so it looks better, and add a whoosh sound effect. If a clip is too long, you can add zooms on boring parts, like this one for example.
Didn't want to miss the chance, so he sped up, snatched the sandwich with his mouth.
Now we're going to add visual effects like arrows or circles. I'm going to make the circle follow this biker and do the same thing for the arrow.
But one cyclist just smiled, realizing it was a joke, but another didn't want to miss the chance, so
and of course use sound effects like ding, whoosh, or pop. Finally, use some music that fits your video. And this is how the video turned out.
This little guy held out a ham and cheese sandwich from the car window because he saw cyclists racing down the road. But one cyclist just smiled, realizing it was a joke, but another didn't want to miss the chance. So he sped up, snatched the sandwich with his mouth, and powered through another mile.
If this video helped you, hitting that like and subscribe button is the best way to support the channel.